Okay, now I'm here with some guys from hi5. Could you guys introduce yourselves and talk about hi5?
Hi, my name is Akash Garg. I'm the CTO and co-founder of hi5.
I'm Lou Moore. I'm engineering director.
And I'm Paul Lindner. I'm the hi5 architect.
So could you tell us a little bit about hi5.com?
Sure, hi5 is one of the largest global social networking sites in the world. We're currently a top 10 site as ranked by Alexa. We have 35 million unique visitors every month, and we currently have a very large international base with over 10 languages translated right now, and also a very large Spanish-speaking population on the site. I think we are the largest Spanish-speaking social network right now. People use hi5 right now to communicate and stay in touch with their friends.
Great, awesome. So why are you guys deciding to build on top of the OpenSocial platform?
hi5 is really excited about the ability to work with open standards to enable as many developers as possible to write applications easily for hi5. We think with OpenSocial, this framework allows a very standard way to actually access the backend data for hi5 in a standardized, easy manner.
So how are you? How's the experience been working with the APIs and developing with it?
Yeah, I think I'll let one of these guys speak to that.
So yeah, we've had a really good experience with it. We feel it's actually going to open up a lot of possibilities and what you can do. We actually started our platform about July of this year, and since then we've been slowly growing it. When we found out about this project, it actually it was the same idea that we had in terms of what we actually really wanted to do in terms of a platform, which was actually using the browser as an integration point and sort of pulling all the pieces together there, which is sort of the most efficient and best way to do it. And the second thing is we actually found a lot of really good things in the Google Gadget API that we really liked. One of them is internationalization support, which is one of the things that is really critical to our site, which is in 10 languages, and that's already there. So we're planning on making full use of that in the short term.
Great, awesome. So have you guys run into any major challenges or dislikes or things you wish you could change so far? I know it's still early on, but
I don't know. What do you think, Lou?
No major roadblocks so far. I mean, it's actually just been a really interesting and exciting path here getting this demo set up. We've been working with a bunch of the different providers.
Yeah.
We actually just got our demo up.
Yeah.
oh, very nice.
So no, it's been very fun.
Yeah. And in fact, it's we've been working with a lot of the same partners we've worked with in the past, and it's good to sort of all be working together on this big project, which is, I think, going to benefit the internet as a whole.
So you guys are a pretty big company now, right? So do you think a smaller a smaller company would be able to implement implement OpenSocial as a container as well, or do you think it's something only big guys can do right now?
Oh, I mean, I think it's available for all companies. I mean, pretty much in the last couple of weeks, I think Lou and Paul have been pretty much working on it themselves and have been able to get really far in a short amount of time. So I think it's designed in such a way that it's easy for big guys and little guys to get involved.
I think that everyone, any social container is going to want to do this just because of all the benefits that it offers. 20,000 plus gadgets and access to millions and millions and millions of people are going to really be a good reason to do this.
So do you have any, what's on your wish list for what do you hope Google does with this in the next couple of months, or what would be particularly helpful for hi5?
Well, I think that one of the things is really nailing down some of the security aspects, making sure that privacy is enforced in a very good manner. There's already been a number of steps taken in that direction. The another thing is sort of being able to present the right kind of applications to the right kind of users. So right now there's thousands and thousands of gadgets, but we want to give our users the best gadgets out there and work with partners to develop the right stuff. Yeah. So and in terms of technology, I mean, we'd like to extend it out further to more data, more content, photo galleries, videos, etc. Everything that a person uses on a social network.
Great, awesome. So I think I heard that the demo is up and running now?
It looks like it. So here I'm just going to demo a few of the integrations that we've done over the course of the past week or so. Right now I'm on a hi5 profile page. This is my profile. We've added a new tab here for applications. And this is going to go to our new application gallery. The first thing you're going to see here is just a simple demo of how the container API is actually tied in. So this is actually requesting my friends and showing a little fader demo. But to show something a little more interesting that we worked with some partners with, let's take a look at Funwall. This is one that we've been working on with Slide. And as you can see, you can get a little bit of a preview here. But I really want to add it to my profile. And with one click, I've got a Funwall now in my profile. I think what's really interesting about the Funwall application is it allows users to build on their hi5 experience. So I already have a profile comments feature that's very successful, very widely used. This just gives a little more flair to it. Let's next take a look at actually interacting with this then. So I can log back in as a friend. He's got a few apps installed.
Got the cute
Got
cats.
the cute cats. It's a good
Cute
one.
cats. Gotta have cute cats.
And here's his Funwall. So you can see Jeremiah from over at Slide already gave him a nice Red Sox picture. And as you can see, this is all like fully plugged into our back end. It actually works.
Yeah, so when I go back to my profile page, I'll see that Lou has actually left me a comment. And there's a lot of interesting things that can go on with this. It really sort of allows our hi5 users to have allow even more creativity with what they want to do with their profile. So with this application, they can add sketches, videos, photos, things like that, more than just a standard photo comments or comments on a profile page. So it's really quite cool.
Cool. So that's Funwall. Next, I'd like to demo a couple of things that we've done with iLike. So iLike provides a set of music gadgets. The first is a playlist application. So you can see you can build different playlists. You can then play the music. Oops. I'm going to add this application also to my profile page. So you can see now I have songs I like. This one happens to be pre-populated, but I can also actually use this to search iLike's music database and add a new song. So I can manage my playlist here. You see I've now got that in my list. Another interesting feature of that, if I log back in now as a friend, see I can log in as Paul. We have the applications integrated with our friend update feed, which is in OpenSocial we call the activity stream. So as you can see, Paul got an update that I just added this song to my profile. And now Paul has the option from the friend feed to either go and get a gadget of his own or to go and look at his friend's music. So he can go and look at my playlists. One final thing that we did that was a little bit unique here with iLike is they have another application called iLike Charts or Trends. It shows the most added songs. And one thing we felt was that this type of a gadget is actually appropriate in context other than the profile page. So one thing we can do here is actually let's add this one to the homepage.
I already have a whole bunch of apps on my homepage, though, so you have to scroll down a little bit.
Gotcha.
So
That's
the
the
interesting
cat.
thing here is
That's-
that this is basically the portal of hi5, basically the user's homepage, so that this will be accessible to them right when they log in and be able to interact with
Yeah.
it.
So you can see I already have cats there. Oh yeah, you might want to get rid of the
Yeah.
cats.
What's interesting here is it really showcases the versatility of all three things here. iLike has a set of music-based gadgets that provide a variety of different value. hi5 has multiple different contexts on the site in which these gadgets make sense. And the OpenSocial platform gives us the flexibility to implement all of these. So,
Great, thanks guys. Is there anything else you want to say about hi5 or OpenSocial?
No, I think we're really excited to be part of this initial launch of OpenSocial and really looking forward to how it's going to evolve and how our developers will use it to interact with our users. So I think everybody will benefit, and I think it should be good.
Best developer platform ever.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thanks, guys.
Cool.